this is Phil Racy's. I'm going to show you some amazing apartments. Come on in.
Hi.
Hello.
Welcome
How you
in.
doing? Buenas noches. This is my 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, doorman building. Very spacious, bamboo floors, all recessed lighting. We have separate heating and air conditioning units in every room. This one happens to have 2, and each bedroom has an additional one. We have a sort of a combo kitchen. We're going to be cutting this wall down, hopefully, putting a nice piece of granite or marble across. So we'll have a combo kitchen with 4 chairs streaming across. This is like a party room, or it could be a family room. It's whatever you want it to be. Stainless steel appliances, all high-end Bosch. A cabinet over here that's going to cover all those ugly looking pipes. Okay, and then we're going to go to the master bedroom first. Pocket doors. So this way you don't have to worry about a door swinging out. Very heavy door. You got a fantastic master bedroom. And maybe the art and the things that are part of the apartment might be included in the sale. You got a lot of built-ins also here. You have a walk-in shower, tremendous amount of storage. Again, we have a great pocket door. How you see me? How you doing? You got a great walk-in closet. You got all these built-ins here. So you don't need to bring too much furniture here. You got another closet here, which could be a coat closet. You got a laundry room, which can also act as a powder room if you divide it up properly. Look at the storage. You cannot beat this storage. This is like unbelievable. You cannot want for storage here. You got plenty of storage. You got a second bedroom over here with another terrace, which is a real bonus. And you do face another building, but all you have to do is close the blinds. And then you don't have to see that at all. Total privacy. If you want to have breakfast in bed or breakfast on the terrace, it's very easy to do. Another closet. There's no wasted space. And here's your second bathroom. This has all been redone. These are all brand new bathrooms. Just been done over the last 12 months. And then you have the third bedroom. And you can always convert this if you want it to be something with a bar to hang your clothes on. Separate units, heating and air conditioning in all the space. You even have a place to hang your TV. And this also, I believe, has an infrared alarm system. You want to know what the price is? Give me a call. It's Phil from turnkeyrealestate.com, 516-647-4289, and you have a lucrative day.